My name is Desmond Devine. I'm the Global Corporate Social Responsibility Manager for Syncreon. I live in Amsterdam and it allows me to cycle into work. Cycling into work for me is very relaxing and helps me think of the many challenges that we have as people and as a world.
Inspired by the movement of its large blades, Rembrandt painted this windmill. The same windmill Syncreon employees pass each day on their commutes to work.
Taking the bike to work helps me come up with some good solutions. It clears my mind, so it's one of the benefits also about cycling into work.
Inside the city is a different kind of masterpiece that's also in motion. High above, cranes transport some of the thousands of products Syncreon moves each day. These containers are destined for more than 30 countries around the world.
Here at the site, Syncreon is providing the warehousing and the fulfillment services for data server parts for data centers located across the world. The parts that we handle here are actually not received physically by you at home. Instead, the services that these parts provide you is fast and reliable access to the internet. What I find really rewarding about my job here at Syncreon is the work that I do allows me to be able to better connect with my loved ones back at home, thousands of miles away across the world.
125 employees from more than 30 different countries work together at this Amsterdam site, doing warehouse management, kitting, shipping and fulfillment.
So these items which are inside these pallets and boxes, they're actually transported to data centers, to spoke warehouses, to POP sites, and these are the centers which actually hold and store your data. So if you ever think where your data is, it is there.
In 2018, there were approximately 30,000 modern-day slaves in the Netherlands. Syncreon follows the customer's supplier code of conduct to ensure that all work is voluntary. There's no human trafficking, nor use of any form of slave, forced, bonded or indentured labor. An ethics hotline ensures fair and ethical labor for 16,000 global employees.
Modern slavery in production sites, we see that a lot of workers can be underpaid. They can have unsafe work environment, machines not really fitted to do the safe work, no training enough. And what we are trying to do now is to make sure that the sites that we're working for, they have implemented those systems, those procedures, the workers are informed and they follow the rules.
Syncreon as a company follows the requirements of the Responsible Business Alliance. Through their code of conduct, we implement many best practices throughout our global facilities. The Responsible Business Alliance splits its code of conduct into several areas, such as health and safety, environment, labour and ethics.
Safety is very important to Syncreon. It's something we start every day with. Every meeting, every coming together. We're working together with machines. And it's very important that we take care of each other, securing that at the end of the day, we get home safely.
I'm a very keen fisherman, and over the years on my favourite lake on the west of Ireland, I've seen a degradation of the quality of the water. So that's something that concerns me as a fisherman, and as a father. I've got 2 children, and I want them to be able to fish in that lake the same as I did when I was a boy.
At the end of the day, Desmond boards his bike for the journey home. Your data isn't just moved by a machine.
It is moved by me.
Moved by me.
Moved by me.
Moved by us.